Dear friends, today let us see the list of Union Council of Ministers. Yesterday, 7th July, there has been major reshuffle of the Union Cabinet. So let us see in detail. Actually, this is the press communique from the President's Secretariat. It was posted on 7th July yesterday, 10:21 p.m. by the Press Information Bureau. This is the original communique from the Rashtrapati Bhavan or President's Secretariat. Let us see this press communique. The President of India, as advised by the Prime Minister, has directed the allocation of portfolios among the following members of the Council of Ministers. Sri Narendra Modi, his duties, Prime Minister, and also in charge of Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. Then Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios not allocated to any minister. Right. And Sri Narendra Modi, as Prime Minister of India, he has his 77 members as his team, right, including his cabinet and others. Minister of State. Okay. So now let us see the different cabinet ministers. Sri Rajnath Singh is the Minister of Defence. Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation. Minister of Cooperation is a newly created ministry. Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari is the Minister of Road Transport and Highways. Then Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs. Sri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs. Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development. Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry, Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and Minister of Textiles. Then Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, he is the Minister of Education and Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Sri Pralhad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines. Sri Narayan Tatu Rane is the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. And Sri Sarbananda Sonawal, Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of Ayush. Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs. Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayat Raj. Sri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia, Minister of Civil Aviation. Sri Ramachandra Prasad Singh, Minister of Steel. Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, Minister of Railways, Minister of Communication and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, IT. Sri Pashupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industries. Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti. Sri Kiran Rijju, Minister of Law and Justice. Sri Rajkumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sri Mansukh Mandavia, he is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Bhupender Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Labour and Employment. Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey is the Minister of Heavy Industries. Sri Parshottan Rubala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Sri G. Kishan Reddy is the Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of Northeast Region. Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. So there are 30 cabinet ministers, right? So 30 ministers with cabinet rank. Then ministers of state independent charge. There are 2 ministers of state with independent charge. Rao Inder Singh is Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Planning and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Minister of State independent charge of the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy and Minister of State in the Department of Space. Now, Ministers of State. Sripath Yaso Nayak, Minister of State in the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri Fagan Singh Kolasti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Sri Prahalad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Sri Ashwini Kumar Chobe, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. General Retired B.K. Singh, he is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation. Sri Krishan Pal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Power and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Sri Dhanvi Rao Sahib Dada Rao, Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal and Minister of State in the Ministry of Mines. Sri Ramdas Adawale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sadhvi Niranjan Jodi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Sri Nityanand Rai is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Professor S.P. Singh Bahal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice. Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (IT). Susri Shobha Karandlaje, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Srimati Darshana Vikram Jardosh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textiles and Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways. Sri V. Muralidharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Srimati Meenakshi Lehi, she is the Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture. Sri Som Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Srimati Renuka Singh Saruda, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Sri Rameshwar Theli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of State in the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Sri Kailash Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Sri Narayana Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sri Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism. Sri B.L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and Minister of State in the Ministry of Cooperation. Sri Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sri Devu Singh Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication. Sri Bhagwant Koba, Minister of State in the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Minister of State in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Sri Kapil Moreshwar Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayat Raj. Sushri Pranitima Bhaumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Dr. Subhas Sarkar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance. Dr. Raj Kumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education. Dr. Bharati Praveen Power, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sri Vishweswar Tudu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Sri Sandanu Tahur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Dr. Unjapara Mahendra Boy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women and Child Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush. Sri John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Dr. L. Murugan, he was the BJP President of Tamil Nadu. He is now the Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. And also, he is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Sri Nishit Paramanik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So this is the press release from the President's Secretariat. So Ministers of State, totally we have 45 Ministers of State. 45. So 45 Ministers of State. Okay, Ministers of State. Then 2 Ministers of State with independent charge and 30 Cabinet Ministers. Right. So apart from the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, there are 77 ministers in the Union Council of Ministers. So together, total count of the Council of Ministers, including the Prime Minister, is 78 as on 7th July 2021. Right. This is the original press communique, a press release from the President's Secretariat. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thank you.